Okay, water.
Daily average of water for the month is 29,354 gallons. The tank is full. Total City of Lebanon Authority water used was 0.
Sewer and
Sewer.
social? Go ahead.
I'm sorry.
Go ahead.
Letters have been hand-delivered to all Cumberland Street residents. That's the white row over across from Eversole's on the grinder pump situation for the sewage. This is the bottom of one of the pumps. Now, it's going to be laying up here if you want to look at it. This is debris, these handy wipes and baby wipes and things like that are clogging up this grinder. It had both of them done, what, a week and a half ago? Had both of them shut down. Here it is. There's a youngster's sock. Now, somebody over in the white row has to recognize that little stocking for that little kid. It's pink, so I would assume that it's a little girl. All that handy wipes and all that stuff, what it is, weighed over 10 pounds out of the two things. There's another picture of it. This needs to stop over there. So the people all got the notices. Yes, ma'am.
I apologize, but do they pay our water bill, the White Row? Don't they have city water, do they pay, do they have the same water bill we do?
No.
But if they're the ones who are doing all this stuff,
Sewer's separate.
okay, so that's not us.
No, it's our sewer system.
Okay, that's two different
And
things.
it continues, this side ain't gonna pay for the damage that's getting done over there.
That's what
That
I'm
we already
saying.
checked out legally years ago. There for a while it stopped. We actually went from June of 2017 till now, it stopped. There for a while it was every month, and just like that it stopped, and all of a sudden we're getting it back again.
Yeah, just because it seems to be a habit, and our water bills are high and theirs aren't, so.
We're getting water and sewer, you're getting the clean side and the dirty side mixed.
Well, right now it's all dirty, John.
Okay.
Question. David Snyder, 1923 West Cumberland. I live in that white row, and I've got the letter, and I understand the problem that you have. But is them homes the only ones on that sewer system? Is McGuire's, Nissan on that system?
Mm-hmm.
Did they get a letter?
Yep.
Okay.
McGuire's, got one, the church got one, and also Eversole's got one. Eversole's also hooked to that.
There were two separate letters, one for the businesses and one for the residents. But says the same thing.
Okay.
Go ahead, Aaron.
Storm sewers. Josh Weber's not here. All storm sewer boxes on March 12th of 18 were cleaned out, and the inspection on the boxes found repairs are needed. Will cost approximately $5,000 for the repairs to the boxes. That's it.
Township buildings. Recreation, public safety, code enforcement, etc.
Anything we have on the green waste and tire collection for Connie is gonna be April 11th. Tires should be taken to the expo center between the hours of 8 a.m. and 6 p.m.
And then the only other thing that I have is about approving a subdivision plan for RE and AE LLCs in Crow to LP.
Need a motion for that.
Yep, I need a motion for that.
I'll make a conditional motion. We approve it, pending we get paid for all the legal fees and engineering fees.
That's legitimate.
I gotta wait for
Yeah.
your invoices yet.
All right, yeah, there'll
Okay.
be one more coming.
Right.
And under the municipalities planning code, you are entitled to be reimbursed for that.
Right.
So, yeah, it's legitimate.
Need a
So,
second?
as long as, once I get the money, if you approve it, I'll make the motion. If we agree on it, we ain't gonna release it though until
Right.
we get our money back.
Okay.
Second,
There you are.
So, second.
Yep.
Who was the first?
he made it and I seconded it.
Alright.
Then I need a motion to pay the bills.
I'll make the motion.
Harry, second.
Second,